Welcome to the drawing desk. We're going to be drawing a turtle. I am copying it off of my toy turtle right here. This video takes place in my room. So are you ready? So in this video, you need a pencil, a paper, and an eraser. Let's get started. So first things first, we're going to be drawing the cell on this turtle because you see everything under it is under the cell if you look at it. So then there's this shape in the middle of the cell. It's called a diamond. We're going to figure out which way we're going to be drawing this diamond in the middle. So let's get started. Alright, getting started, you draw a big circle across your paper. You draw two short lines. Try to make them identical. Then you draw a diagonal line going out. Once again, try to make it identical and end at the same point. This is the next part. Maybe extend it a little bit more. And then you draw a horizontal line. Connecting each other. Now you see all of these points. This is like the last part of the cell. You draw a line going in this way out. Draw a line going in. You do it out over here and in over there. In. You drew the cell. But there's one more part. You draw a circle outside of it. It's the outer part of the cell. It's kind of hard to memorize, you know. And this is the first part, the cell. The next step, step 2 out of 3 steps, is the body, the last part of drawing it. So we're drawing the eggs right now. You draw a line going out, then curve it back in to here. You might actually want shorter for the next thing that's going to happen though. So like make it this short actually. And do it for the other part. I actually just realized you don't need an eraser. Sorry for saying that. I actually done it through, so now it's onto the arms. You draw a longer line than the eggs. Then you curve them back in. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you draw a hemisphere. Now draw 2 little hemispheres inside of that hemisphere. It doesn't matter if it touches the line, because for me, I'm just going to be cutting it in like my little toy turtle. he has black eyes. And alright. The next step, well, the third step, the last step, and the final step is shading. So we're going to do you see right here near this hemisphere, the head, you're going to do a dark shade, not dark as black, like this dark. Just do it like a reasonable amount. So you hold your pencil like right here near the tip. Well, that's what I learned on Simply Draw on my free trial. That will help you. Do it on all of the sides near the cell. Do it on all limbs near the cell. The next part is to draw a lighter color all over the cell, all over it. This is like 2 times lighter than the dark, as you can see. And shading it for all of the white. Try to keep it white free, but also keep some white, so then it'll have that yellow color, that color to it. This might take a while. As you can see, I finished this. Now you do that lighter part for most of the other parts of the limb, but not to the end of it. Not all the way. Do it pretty long, a reasonable amount. Or well, like the amount as I'm doing. You can do it as far as you want to do it, but not to the end. Now, the next part is to also, wait, I forgot to do it on cell. Well, the next part is to do it also on cell. Well, it's supposed to do, but I forgot. And after you do this, we're going to do another part, but this is farther from the tip. Just if you having a problem with doing it too hard. As you can see, I will have to move around, make it look like it's actually circular, going to there. But keep it pretty close to the dark, and keep the dark from being as light, the same light as the dark part. As you can see, I accidentally forgot about that. And once you're done with this next part of the cell, I'm going to the last and final part. That's the lighter color. The lighter color is you hold it farther from the tip. So, lighter than that other part. That's why I said to keep it in color and keep these close to the other part. And now, after all of this, you shade in all of the rest of the white. That same color. And just for a tip, if you draw this again, if you want to draw it in color, you shade in color. But black and white's a good one. And you can see I can't tell the difference, so then I'm making them darker. So you should do that. If you can't tell the difference, make it darker. On that point, you remember you did. And you finished the turtle.